All right, here is a little walkthrough explaining how to use Canva to enlarge your stained glass pattern by Koi Art Glass. We're going to head to canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. We're going to create a new design. I always use the flyer portrait template because it's the fastest for me. We're going to close out this side area so that we have more room to see everything in the browser. We're going to head to the left-hand side panel of the page and click Apps, and then type Image Splitter into the search area. Once that loads, we'll click Image Splitter. And we're going to upload the PNG version of our pattern. We will select grid and the number of rows and columns that we want. Each rectangle you see in the preview will be one full printer page. Click Split Image to splice everything up. Once that's done, we'll click Add Images to New Pages. And this takes a second, so be patient. I notice that Canva sometimes says that it's complete before it's actually complete. We'll double check everything's there, and then we'll click Download to save it as a zip file. We will then unzip the folder and print each file. This last part takes place off camera, but we will then manually tape each page together to make the enlarged physical version of the pattern, and either trace our glass pieces over the pattern, or we'll cut each piece out and glue them onto our glass pieces. And that's it. The most time-consuming part of the process is taping together the pattern, but otherwise it's all very simple.